Reading the Royals episode by fans of the series. So tonight we're going to deliver big time. It is of course the difference and similarities between two notable divorced daughters of America who married a senior member of the British royal family, who then abandoned their royal duties and their homeland for the sake of love.
Failed comeback. Meghan Markle's recent attempt at uplifting PR has dramatically backfired, showcasing a surprising level of desperation. It seems that when all else fails, you resort to highlighting an 8-year-old story about dog surgery and make it known loudly. They sat on the floor. That's right, they chose to sit on the floor. End all wars and sound the bells, for history has been made today. This week, the public encountered another strategically timed humanizing story through a flattering interview. It described how Meghan and Harry once sat on the floor of a veterinary clinic while enjoying cake as their beagle received treatment. The intended message was obvious. See how relatable, grounded, and emotionally engaged they are. Take note, everyone. Quite literally, sit down. Anyone with a good memory had an immediate reaction. What are they trying to divert our attention from now? The Sussexes don't release stories at random. Each piece is a response. Every anecdote serves as misdirection, and repeated memories act like PR fire extinguishers. As expected, the timing reveals everything. Merely a few days before, British media had circulated images of Lady Louise Windsor quietly seated on the floor of a busy train with her laptop open as she traveled from London to Bristol. There was no press release, no endorsements from vets or influencers, just an ordinary young woman working diligently and adapting seamlessly to life's demands. The published reaction was immensely favorable. Composed, humble, diligent, unfazed, and somehow that seemed unacceptable. They couldn't resist jumping in, as it seems Meghan Markle often feels the need to insert herself into situations where a royal relative is getting attention. Her similar sat-on-the-floor moment dates back to 2017 and involved cake, a story that was revisited by national media 8 years later. The difference couldn't be more humiliating. Lady Louise's moment seemed genuine because it was spontaneous, while Meghan's appeared contrived for precisely the opposite reason. Bringing up an old veteran story with overly sentimental quotes and nostalgic undertones conveys desperation rather than compassion. If the intention was to demonstrate empathy, it fell flat entirely. The imagery only added to the negative impact. Circulating photos of Meghan at the veterinary clinic show her with an unsettling smile while her dog awaited surgery. There's no sign of distress, maternal concern, or quiet anxiety, just a bizarre grin that completely contradicts the intended narrative. If this was supposed to demonstrate deep emotional bonding, it did quite the opposite. The public is familiar with this pattern. Recall when Prince Louis lost a tooth and Meghan coincidentally announced that Archie had a loose tooth. Or whenever any royal child reached a milestone, it seemed like the Sussexes would promptly share one of their own. It's the same strategy. If someone else garners attention, Meghan seems to swiftly redirect it towards herself. Now they're obviously seeking any positive coverage they can get. Any story will work, regardless of the year, subject, or setting. What makes the performance truly unsettling is the moral imbalance. Meghan receives praise for sitting on the floor with her dog, yet she didn't visit her elderly father following his leg amputation or show up for the Queen during her final days while being in the same country. It seems that compassion has very specific limits, and unfortunately, they don't extend to inconvenient individuals. Are we really expected to be impressed by them sitting on the floor with a pet while they overlook several deliberate absences from genuine family crises? Should we be applauding such selective empathy? No, this isn't genuine warmth. It's a manipulative form of sentimentality, a desperate effort to compete with the authentic goodwill that others naturally earn through their actions, rather than relying on past stories. The truth is glaringly clear. When genuine authenticity appears unassumingly, working away on a train floor with just a laptop, it requires no defensive response. On the other hand, when public relations makes such an uproar over sitting on the floor, it's likely because there's nothing else left to offer.